Let's now shift focus to the other war. As the Russian forces continue their relentless advance in eastern Ukraine, President Volodymyr Zelensky's ambitious victory plan faces mounting skepticism from its own allies, the West. Our next report decodes how Ukraine's aspirations and current military reality are poles apart.
Russian missiles, drones, fighter jets and artillery are relentlessly driving the Ukrainian troops back, conquering new territory in eastern Ukraine nearly every day. On the battlefield, Russian troops press forward, capturing key territory in eastern Ukraine. Another village in the Donetsk region has fallen, and early October saw the strategic town of Volodar being overrun after nearly 3 years of Ukrainian resistance. These losses signal the increasingly precarious position of Ukrainian forces as they struggle to hold the line with dwindling resources. Ukrainian soldiers report that the intense Russian attacks are leaving them desperate for more ammunition and reinforcements.
We are stabilizing, trying to do it, but there are a lot of them. They seem to be on some kind of drug. They're not afraid of anything. They go again, die, but there are a lot of them.
We need shells. We need Western weapons. We need Western funds to wage this war. Because if we do not end this war here, Europe will suffer in its territories, and it will be in 5, 7 or 10 years.
Away from the battlefield in Brussels, Zelensky is urging EU leaders and NATO defense chiefs to back Ukraine's new victory plan, insisting that his country must be in a position of strength before it can enter any peace talks with Russia.
The victory plan is a bridge to a successful second peace summit. You can help make this a reality. And this will protect not only Ukraine, but also Baltic states and Nordics and Poland, Balkans, other regions, other partners which are in Russian sides.
NATO may have declared that Ukraine is on an irreversible path to membership, but no immediate entry is on the table. Western leaders fear that bringing Ukraine into the alliance would be tantamount to a declaration of war on nuclear-armed Russia, even as the West does not hold back in voicing support for Kyiv.
The EU, we are on your side for as long as it takes, and whatever it takes. We know that you need more support, more military support and more financial support. Now, this is urgent, this is needed.
As Ukraine steadily loses territory in the eastern Donbas region, the pressure is mounting on forging a viable exit strategy. Yet, Zelensky insists any peace talks must begin from a position of strength, a stance that becomes increasingly difficult to maintain in the face of the inexorable Russian advance. Bureau Report, WION World is One.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.